Hello everyone, let's start with business and financial market update. Gautam Adani, whose company is now NDTV's largest shareholder, told India Today in an interview, "Let me say categorically that India TV will have a clear Lakshman Rekha between management and editorial," he said. "You can endlessly debate and interpret each and every word of what I am saying," Adani added. "But the proof of the pudding is in the eating." Moving on, the momentum indicator RSI is in a bullish crossover. Chart readers said Nifty is placed at the edge of an upside breakout of the crucial hurdle at 18,200 levels. For Nifty, the target is seen at 18,221 and then on the upside, major hurdle will be at 18,473 mark, said Prashant Tapse of Mehta Equities. Moving on being asked in an interview with India Today about his response to critics who say his meteoric rise is due to PM Narendra Modi, billionaire industrialist Gautam Adani said, "Such allegations are baseless. My professional success is not because of any individual leader, but because of the reforms initiated by several leaders and governments during a long period of over 3 decades. Moving on, China's health system has been overwhelmed after the country reversed its lockdown and testing regimes earlier this month. The United States, India, Italy, Japan, and Taiwan said they would require COVID-19 tests for travelers from China. Moving on, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani said, "The world is seeing the 21st century as India's century, and India can become a $40 trillion economy by 2047. The next 25 years will be the most transformational in the 5,000-year-old history of India," he added. "We will always remember Reliance founder Dhirubhai Ambani with immense gratitude," Mukesh said on his father's 90th birth anniversary. Moving on, shares of KFin Technologies make a lackluster debut on the brochures on Thursday as they got listed at Rs 369 on BSE at par to the issue price of Rs 366. On NSE, the stock got listed at Rs 367, up 0.27 over the issue price. A day before the listing, shares of the company were trading at a discount to the issue price in the grey or unofficial market. IPO was priced in the range of $347 to $366 a piece. Moving on, billionaire industrialist Gautam Adani in an interview with India Today said his journey would never have been taken off if not for ex-PM Rajiv Gandhi. He stated when Gandhi liberalized exim policy, it helped him start his export house. Referring to criticism that he is favored by PM Narendra Modi, Adani said he is an easy target as they both come from Gujarat. Moving on, Zerodha co-founder Nikhil Kamath said that moonlighting is not wrong, while emphasizing on the need for better transparency between employees and employer. "I believe that broadly we are moving toward a gig economy," Kamath said. "What we need probably is increased transparency where people report the different roles and jobs that they might be doing," he added. Moving on, billionaire industrialist Gautam Adani said he gets his thrills from handling challenges and that for him ranking and numbers don't matter. "The bigger the challenge are, the happier I am. For me, the opportunity and the ability to make a difference in the lives of people is far more satisfying than being on same wealth ranking," Adani said. Moving on, packing solutions provider Sah Polymers on December 29 raised nearly Rs 30 crore via Anchor Book ahead of the launch of its IPO. Only 3 investors, Leading Light Fund VCC, Send Capital Fund and Maven India Fund, have made an investment in the company via Anchor Book. Leading Light Fund VCC bought shares worth Rs 10.33 crore while Send Capital Fund and Maven Fund picked stake worth Rs 9.74 crore each. Sah Polymers said in consultation with the merchant bankers, it has finalized the allocation of 45.9 lakh shares at a price of Rs 65 per share, the upper end of the price band. The maiden public issue will open for subscription on December 30 and offer will close on Jan 4. The company is planning to mobilize Rs 66.3 crore via the public offer that comprise only a fresh issue. This means the company will utilize the money for itself. Moving on, Kotak Institutional Equities is bullish on GMR Airports infrastructure and has a buy rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 43, indicating a 10% upside from the current levels. The bullishness is largely on the back of the company's debt reduction prospect Analysts at KIE met with the company's management, who shared that the closure of its payout from Group ADP could happen earlier than financial year 2025. Group ADP has 49% stake in GMR Airports, which is unlisted. If Group ADP converts its stake in GMR Airports unlisted into GMR Infrastructure, which is listed, to benefit from the upstick in valuation, then this could be help take out the company's 2000 crore corporate debt, mentioned KIE analyst in its report. Management also shared the impending end of the duty-free and cargo concessions in Delhi airport over the next 2 years. Though the company benefits from stakes in joint ventures in such a context, it expects to bid by itself for these contracts from here on, according to KIE. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market update.